Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But motherfucker, your standards might have nappy, bitch, I love it.
So today I am collaborating with Dola hair, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a headband wig. Since my hair is already slicked back and everything ready to go, let me give y'all a 360. I just slicked it back, put it in some braids and kind of wrapped it up. But yeah, since my hair is slick, let's go ahead and install it. Let's get right to it. But first, let's talk about this Dola hair wig and the packaging. So as you guys can see, the packaging is really nice. Probably some of the best packaging I've ever received from a wig company. Now within this box, I had a lot of different things I want to share with you guys. So first on top is the wig, and I'm going to get into this a little bit later. Next, we have a mirror. It's like a, well, not a mirror, it's a brush with a mirror. A little pop-out brush. Next, there was a makeup bag, really cute. Then there is this edge styling brush. Y'all, this one is really nice. I've never seen one like this before. It has a rat tail comb on the end, the comb piece, and the brush. Bomb. And of course, we have some headbands that we can use for styling, some wig caps, and a thank you card with some links to Dola Hair's social media accounts. So the wig, this is a 22-inch headband wig. It is in a deep curly curl pattern in the color natural black. And as you guys can see, everything came packaged real nice. So the curls on this wig are beautiful, like flawless, super pretty, nice deep curly texture, real shiny as well. Now, like I said, this is a headband wig, so this is how it is set up, and it does come with a good Velcro attachment piece for the back when applying the wig. And this headband wig does come with combs for securing it to your head. There's one on each side, one in the crown, and then one at the nape. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into installing this headband wig. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, the first thing you want to really do is slide the clip-ins or combs into place. So my hair is already slicked back and everything, and I just want to get the wig up over this bun that I have going on in the back. And then I make sure to secure one side in good, and then I'll follow up and get the other side. I don't really focus too much on the comb at the crown. I just make sure I get the sides, and as you guys can see, it is secure. I'm pulling it and it's not moving. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my pieces of headband and secure it in the back. And I do want to go ahead and show you guys how it looks in the back when it is secure. And of course, when you wear the headbands, it will cover all this up. So that took all of like, what, 1 minute to install. And as you guys can see, it's on good. It's not sliding. The main key is to make sure you get those side combs in good. And she gonna be, you know, in place. The band might move a little bit, you know what I'm saying, but the wig is hooked. So this wig is a 22-inch headband wig. It does come in a natural black, and this is a deep curl pattern. Of course, I did wash it before I put it in my head, and I just put like some curling products on it. It gave it a little bit of a wet, almost kind of a little bit. But yeah, it makes the curls look, you know, so good. The curls were already popping naturally by themselves, but you know, the products just help to, you know, refresh and give it a little bit more hold for the curls so they can last. And I'll share with you guys what I use. Let me go get it real quick. So I just use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, the defining cream, and the frizz control sculpting gel. I use these on the wigs because I've tried them on my natural hair and it really didn't work for your girl, so these work good on wigs, so I use it for my curly wigs. So as I showed you the box earlier, It comes with a lot of goodies, as you guys saw. And of course, when I laid my hair and did my edges for this wig, I did use this edge brush. And like, this edge brush is like so different. I never really seen one like this. It has the part for the comb, then it has the brush part, and also has a rat tail comb part. So this like has all three in one, because some people like to do their edges with a brush, some like to use a comb, and some like to do it with, you know, making little swirls with the rat tail comb. So this is a good edge brush. Shout out to y'all Dola hair. And I did think about using a wig cap, but to keep the combs in place, the wig cap wasn't gonna work. So you can use a wig cap or you don't have to use one, whichever way you want to do it. And now these headbands, let's go ahead and apply these and get into some cute styles. So first I have this pink one. It's like kind of a tie-dye effect to it. And it's pretty easy to put these headbands on because they have a good stretch. So I have to take my earrings off because they be getting in the way. But yeah, so I just make sure I find the center, get it over my big head. Now also a cool thing about the headband wig is you can, when you rock the headbands, pull it up over your edges. So if you don't want your edges to show, or if you ain't did them that day, boom. So you know, you can style it in different ways. This would probably be a good style for the gym. I feel like this headband will go to a good gym look. So the next headband I have is this leopard cheetah print type one. And this one is a bit thinner, so with this thin one, I wouldn't wear it like in an updo style because it's probably still gonna show that band in the back. So for this one, I just like it styled with the hair down into the back. This is cute. Oh, I forgot to put my earrings on though. Hold up. Not a full look without the hoops. So boom. Yep, I like this one like this. This hair is super pretty too, so soft. And it's not thin or nothing either. It's not too thick. It's like a good natural, you know, density. And lastly, I have this like aqua pink type one. I don't know if this is like a tribal print or what. Also has really good stretch like that pink one. That leopard one wasn't like super stretchy as these, but these got good stretch. So I like this look with my hair down too, but we're gonna spice it up. Do like a half up, half down. So you see, you can do a variety of hairstyles with this headband wig. So yeah, once again, this is a 22-inch headband wig from Dola hair. The density is 150. This is in a deep curly pattern, and it does come in a natural black. The curls are really pretty, as you guys can see. You can wear it tamed, you can flip it out, and it's cute. So yeah, if you need a wig that's gonna get you in and out the door, I definitely would recommend Dola hair. And if you are interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description box. I'll also put it here on the screen, a discount code for you guys, so you can use that at checkout if you do want to purchase this particular wig, or if you see anything else on their site that you like and you're trying to get. I look like a little country girl and I go on a camping trip with my coat. Y'all, I love jackets like this. This ain't about this, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the team. Turn on your post notifications right after that, so you'll instantly be notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And that's pretty much it. Your girl is out. Deuces.
I show love to the people that's gon' show love to me. I'm a product of my city, I got buzz in my streets. Ain't my youngin' out here.